So, what exactly is this mad coin we're talking about? Well, let's dive right into it. The mad coin is a unique cryptocurrency that operates on its very own blockchain. Think of it like a digital coin with a special mission, a mission that sets it apart from the rest of the crypto crowd. Madcoin isn't just about buying and selling goods or services, it's about creating a new ecosystem where transactions are not only secure but also transparent and efficient. The Madcoin is designed to be more than just a medium of exchange. It's a tool, a catalyst if you will, that's designed to transform the way we interact within the digital space. This is not your average digital currency, it's a digital revolution. The vision behind the Madcoin is to empower users, to give them control over their transactions, and to create a more equitable digital economy. The Madcoin is more than just a digital currency, it's a revolutionary new way to transact and interact within the digital space. Now that we know what the Madcoin is, you're probably wondering, how does it work? Well, let's dive in. The Madcoin operates on a blockchain. Picture this as a giant digital ledger spread across numerous computers worldwide. With each transaction, the ledger updates and the information is distributed to all the computers or nodes in the network. So why is this important? Well, unlike traditional transactions overseen by a central authority like a bank, transactions made with Madcoin are verified by this network of computers. This means that transactions are not only secure but also transparent. Everyone on the network can see the transaction, but not who's behind it. Moreover, this decentralized approach makes transactions incredibly fast. Without the need for a middleman, transactions can be completed in a fraction of the time it takes traditional methods. With the Madcoin, transactions are not only secure and fast, but they're also transparent and decentralized, making it a truly innovative form of digital currency. It's clear that the Madcoin is innovative and unique, but what does this mean for its potential? Well, the possibilities are vast and exciting. The Madcoin's blockchain technology allows for a wide range of applications. Imagine a world where transactions are not only secure, but also transparent and speedy. This is the promise of the Madcoin. Businesses can benefit from this technology by streamlining operations and reducing costs associated with traditional financial transactions. For individuals, the Madcoin offers the potential for financial freedom unencumbered by traditional banking systems. But it's not just about finance. The Madcoin's blockchain can revolutionize industries from supply chain management to digital identity verification and beyond. In essence, the Madcoin is not just a cryptocurrency. It's a catalyst for change in the digital world, harnessing the power of blockchain technology to create a more efficient, transparent, and equitable digital landscape. The Madcoin is not just a cryptocurrency, it's a game changer in the digital space. Its potential is as limitless as the blockchain technology it's built on. So, are you ready to go mad for the Madcoin?